गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते बच्चों, वनक्कम। हाउ आर यू ऑल? हैप्पी इन हाउस? आप कैसे हो बच्चों? अच्छे हो? ओके, टुडे वन सेंटेंस इन हिंदी वी विल लर्न। आप कहाँ रहते हो? वेयर डू यू लिव? यू हैव टू रिप्लाई, मैं पुदुचेरी में रहता हूँ। आई लिव्ड इन पुदुचेरी। ओके चिल्ड्रन। तो जब हम पूछते हैं आप कहाँ रहते हो, वेयर डू यू लिव, व्हाट यू हैव टू रिप्लाई? आप कैसे जवाब देंगे? मैं पुदुचेरी में रहता हूँ। इफ बॉय इज देयर रहता हूँ, इफ गर्ल इज देयर रहती हूँ। सो दिस इज योर वन सेंटेंस हिंदी स्पीकिंग। टुडे वी विल लर्न लेसन 3 खिलौने वाला। व्हाट इज द लेसन नेम? खिलौने वाला। बच्चों, आपको पता है मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हूँ खिलौने वाला। कौन हूँ मैं? मैं हूँ खिलौने वाला। मैं आपके लिए अच्छे अच्छे खिलौने लाया हूँ। खिलौना मीन्स टॉय। देखो कितने सुंदर सुंदर मेरे पास खिलौने हैं। आपको चाहिए क्या? बच्चों, आपको पता है मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हूँ खिलौने वाला। कौन हूँ मैं? मैं हूँ खिलौने वाला। मैं आपके लिए अच्छे अच्छे खिलौने लाया हूँ। खिलौना मीन्स टॉय। देखो कितने सुंदर सुंदर मेरे पास खिलौने हैं। आपको चाहिए क्या? So today we will start our lesson 3 खिलौने वाला. A toy seller, a person who is selling the toy. Maybe you have seen near your house a person who will come with selling the toy or some other thing. He will say take this thing, take this thing. Na? Sometime he will sell the flour or other things, some vegetables they are coming. Na? खिलौने वाला also a person who is having lot of small toy, and house to house he will go and he will sell. Okay, and he will say खिलौने ले लो, खिलौने ले लो. This is the story about this is a खिलौने वाला and a small boy. वह देखो माँ, आज खिलौने वाला फिर से आया है। कई तरह के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाया है। हरा हरा तोता पिंजड़े में, गेंद 1 पैसे वाली, छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है, सर 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 चलने वाली। So there is a small boy. To see this toy person, he is saying, "Ma, look at there. Today again this toy seller has come. See, lot of beautiful toy he is having. A green color parrot and a small ball. Motor gadi means a car which is running very fast. Whistle are different, and that there is a car. If you'll put the key in that, it will run. There is a train and doll. Lot of small toy he is having. गुड़िया भी है बहुत भली सी, पहिने कानों में बाली। छोटा सा टी सेट है, छोटे छोटे हैं लोटा थाली। छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण हैं, छोटी छोटी तलवार। नए खिलौने ले लो भैया, जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार। So the toy person, he is having a doll, tea sets. Maybe you have seen all girls like some kitchen set will be there. We are playing in childhood, na? We play in childhood with that. So that he is having arrow, bow, plates, kitchen item. He is having, and he is roaming here there, and he is saying खिलौने ले लो भैया, खिलौने ले लो. He is shouting and moving here to there. मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है, मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी, and there is a boy, his name is Munnu. Okay, he has purchased one doll, and one more boy is there, his name is Mohan. मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी. So Mohan has taken one key, the key car. मचल मचल सरला कहती है माँ से लेने को साड़ी. एंड वन गर्ल इज देयर, हर नेम इज सरला. शी इज रनिंग हियर देयर एंड शी इज सेइंग टू हर मदर, मम्मी मम्मी टेक वन साड़ी. ओके, माँ से लेने को साड़ी. कभी खिलौने वाला भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले आता है. साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला कभी कभी दे जाता है. सो दैट स्मॉल बॉय इज सेइंग ना, दिस Sarla, she is saying her mother to purchase the sari. She is so innocent, she don't know. A toy seller don't bring the sari. Sari, the cloth person will come. The person who is selling the cloth, he will bring the sari. Now how innocent she is. She don't know. Toy seller don't bring the sari. That small boy, he is saying to his mother. मुझे दे दिए पैसे 4, कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं, तुम भी करो विचार. So you have given me 4 paisa. That time 4 paisa is having too much value, like now you can say that is your 100 rupee. Okay, that time 4 paisa is equal to your 100 rupee. So think, that boy he is saying to mother, you have given me 4 paisa, now you think what toy I am going to purchase with that. Okay, तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल, पर माँ यह मैं कभी न लूँगा. ये तो हैं बच्चों के खेल. मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा माँ, या मैं लूँगा तीर कमान. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा, राम समान. So that boy is saying, do you think I am going to purchase some parrot, cat, train or car? No, this all are small things. Children's play with this. I am going to purchase sword or bow or arrow, and I will be like Lord Ram. Okay, Lord Ram you all know na, Raman you all know na. So I will be like this, and I will also go to forest and I will kill some devils. That boy is imagine and saying to his mother, like Lord Ram, I'll go to forest and I will kill the devils. Okay, तपस्वी यज्ञ करेंगे, असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. So that boy is saying, tapasvi like rishi munivar, they will do meditation, they will do yagyam there, and all devils I will kill and I will chase them. यूं ही कुछ दिन करते करते रामचंद्र बन जाऊंगा. And with this all activity one day I will be also like Lord Ram. Okay, यहीं रहूंगा कौशल्या, मैं तुमको यहीं बनाऊंगा. तुम कह दोगी वन जाने को, हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. So that boy is saying in for यहीं रहूंगा. So do you know what is the Ram mother name? Lord Ram mother name was Kaushalya. So he is saying here only I will be, and I will be like a Ram, and you will be my Kaushalya. Okay, like a Kaushalya you will be. तुम कह दोगी वन जाने को, हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. If you will say to go to forest, laughing laughing smiling I will go. पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा. Okay, so the child want to be like a Lord Ram, and he want to make his mother like Kaushalya, and he is ready to go to forest also. But suddenly he is thinking, if he will go to forest and his mother will be in house, what will happen? So again he is thinking, without you in forest what I will do? मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा. दिन भर घूमूंगा जंगल में, लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा. Whole day in forest I will roam here there, but evening where I will go, where I will go back. In house if he is playing, evening he will come to house. In forest whole day here there, because in forest there is no house, so where he will go. किससे लूँगा पैसे, रूठूंगा तो कौन मना लेगा. And if I want money, with whom I will ask, because mother will be in house, in forest mother will not go, so with whom I will ask the money. And if I will be angry, who will make me happy? Who will say don't get angry? Who will love me, who will care me? So again that boy is scared and thinking, what will happen if my mother is not there? तो कौन मना लेगा, कौन प्यार से गोद में गोद बिठा के मनचाही चीज़ें देगा? एंड हु विल मेक मी सिट इन हिज हर लैप, who will give me all things what I need, who will love me, who will care me? So that boy is too much worry, what will happen? So this is a very cute small story of a small child imagination, how a small child is imagining what I will purchase, what I will do. Okay, you all are imagining like this now. Whole day you will watch cartoon or you will purchase some toy and lot of good things you are imagining na? So in the story also that small child is imagine what will happen. So this is a very beautiful story. You try to read also. Okay, how much you can read, I translate to you. Now we will go for word meaning. Lesson 3 खिलौने वाला word meaning. Word meaning in Hindi, what we will say, you know, शब्दार्थ. श half ब, द प्या की मात्रा दा, half र and थ. शब्दार्थ. शब्दार्थ means word meaning. Number 1 खिलौना. ख ख पे छोटी की मात्रा खी, ल ल पे औ की मात्रा लो, ना. खिलौना. खिलौना means toy. Children loves toy. You all are having lot of toy na, soft toy, car and doll, whatever you like, plane. Okay, all toy you are having na, soft and hard toy, that is खिलौना. स स पे छोटा हो की मात्रा सु, अंक की मात्रा सुन, द र, सुंदर. सुंदर means beautiful. सुंदर means beautiful. 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 Beautiful means सुंदर. गुड़िया. गुड़िया. गुड़िया means doll. 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 Doll means गुड़िया. You all are having Barbie doll na? All girls are having Barbie doll. Another kind of dolls also you are having. That is in Hindi we will say गुड़िया. माँ. You all know what is माँ. माँ, अम्मा, मम्मी, all are माँ. Mother. 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 ब पे छोटी की मात्रा बी, हाफ ल, फुल ल, बड़ी की मात्रा ल पे बड़ी की मात्रा ली. बिल्ली. बिल्ली means cat. CAT, cat. Billy means cat. One. One means forest. One means forest. 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 Forest means one. Jungle. Half pa, या पे आ की मात्रा या and र. प्यार. प्यार means love. 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 Love means प्यार. ग का पे ओ की मात्रा गो and द. गोद. गोद means lap. गोद means lap. 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 Lap means गोद. I think in Tamil you will say made, mani or something na. Mani ya mani. Lap. Lap means गोद. विचार. व पे छोटी की मात्रा वी, च पे आ की मात्रा चा and र. विचार. विचार means thought. 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 Thought means विचार. Everyone is having different thought na. For one thing, different thought you are having. What is good, what is bad, how to read, what to read. Different thoughts people are having. That is in Hindi we will say विचार. कपड़ा. 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 कपड़ा means cloths. कपड़ा means cloths. CLOTHES. Cloths. In Tamil you will say tuni. That is kapda. One more round we will read. Or Word meaning? खिलौना. खिलौना means toy. खिलौना means toy. Toy. सुंदर. सुंदर means beautiful. सुंदर means beautiful. 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 गुड़िया. गुड़िया means doll. 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 माँ. माँ means mother. 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 Mother means माँ. अम्मा. बिल्ली. बिल्ली means cat. Cat. Cat means बिल्ली. One. One means forest. 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 Forest means one. Half pa ya ra. प्यार. प्यार means love. 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 Love means प्यार. गोद. गोद means lap. 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 Lap means गोद. विचार. विचार means thought. 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 Thought means विचार. कपड़ा. कपड़ा means clothes. Clothes. Cloth. Cloth means kapda. So this is your word meaning. Now we will go for question answer. Lesson 3 खिलौने वाला question answer. Listen carefully because in Zoom classes I will ask you the same question and word meaning. Question number 1. तुम अपने साथियों के साथ कौन कौन से खेल खेलते हो? One more round I'll read. तुम अपने साथियों के साथ कौन कौन से खेल खेलते हो? साथियों के साथ means with your friends. तुम means you. साथियों के साथ. साथी means friend. साथ means with. कौन. कौन कौन means which. खेल play. खेलना playing. Okay. So with your friend which game you play. Okay. Now I'll explain you. Which game do you play with your friends? Okay. This is the question. What will be the answer? मैं शतरंज, खो खो, कबड्डी, बैडमिंटन, क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ और खेलती हूँ. So what you have to reply? मैं means I. And other game also what you are playing with your friend you can write here. Okay. If you are playing the Ludo or you are playing some other game, skating or any kind of game, whatever you love, you are playing, that you can write. Okay. So one more round I'll read for you this question. Listen carefully. तुम अपने साथियों के साथ कौन कौन से खेल खेलते हो? Which game do you play with your friends? Answer will be मैं शतरंज, खो खो, कबड्डी, बैडमिंटन, क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ और खेलती हूँ. As you know, खेलता हूँ will come with boy, खेलती हूँ will come with girls. So शतरंज means chess, खो खो you know, kabaddi you know, badminton, cricket, all game you know. This is your English name only. Okay. अक्सर तुम किस बात पर रूठते हो? Question number 2. अक्सर तुम किस बात पर रूठते हो? Often which thing you will be angry in your house? Namely, which thing you will be angry in your house? Okay. So which thing you will be angry? What makes you angry in house? Namely means when you will not get your favorite food, when you will not get your favorite toy, or whatever you are asking to your parents if you will not get, or they will say you to study, but you want to play. That time you will be angry, na? Right? This is common. Children will get angry in house. Here also they are asking same thing. So something I have imagined and write for you. If you want, own also you can write. What is the real? Why you get angry in your house? What things makes you angry? So अक्सर तुम किस बात पर रूठते हो? Namely, which thing you will be angry in your house? Or you will be upset in your house? I have written answer for you. जब मेरी पसंद का खाना न मिले या खिलौने न मिलने पर मैं रूठ जाता हूँ. So when मेरी पसंद का खाना न मिले, so when you are not getting your favorite food in house, then you will shout, you will make faces, you will cry, mama, I don't like this food, I want this one, give me this one, like you will say, na? So this thing makes you upset when you don't get your favorite food. Other thing, when you are not getting your favorite toy, sometime you will go to shop and you will say your parents, I want this toy, I want this toy, but mummy will say, no, this is waste, not a good quality, already you are having this type of things. Mummy will say, but as you are a child, you will say, no, one more I want, I like this only, I want, maybe that is waste, not good quality, okay, lot of you are having. So this thing, when you are asking your favorite toy and you are not getting, that's also makes you upset, okay. This two thing I have written. If you want to write something else, you can write there also. So अक्सर तुम किस बात पर रूठते हो? जब मेरी पसंद का खाना न मिले या खिलौने न मिलने पर मैं रूठ जाता हूँ और मैं रूठ जाती हूँ. आई गेट अपसेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. माँ के अलावा तुम्हें और कौन मनाता है? ओके, सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वाज देयर. Why you get upset in your house? Question number 3. When you are getting upset, who will come and help you? Who will come and love you? They will say, okay, okay. Who will sort out your problem? Okay, when you are angry, who will come to you to make you happy? माँ के अलावा, instead of your mother, who comes to you to make you happy? So I have written for you. माँ के अलावा दादा, दादी, दीदी, चाचा, चाची मनाते हैं. Now I'll tell you this all Hindi words meaning for you. Ma means mother. Instead of mother, dada means tata, grandfather. Dadi, aya. Okay? Dadi means aya. Didi. Didi means akka. Didi means akka. Chacha, chittapa. Chachi, chitti. Or periyamma also you can say. Periyamma means elder mother or chitti you can say. These all people who lives in your house, or your attai also will be there, your chinnama also will be there, okay. They will come also to make you happy. They take care you when you will be angry. So माँ के अलावा दादा, दादी, दीदी, चाचा, चाची मनाते हैं. This will be your answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. किसी ऐसे त्योहार का नाम बताओ जो बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत बताता हो. सो टेल सम फेस्टिवल नेम विच टेल्स यू truth always defeat false or untruth. Okay, truth is always winner. Okay, truth is always winner. That type of message which festival give us. So India, lot of we are having this kind of festival, okay, where how truth is winning bad thing or how truth is dominating bad things. So first festival will come Vijay Dasmi. In October month will come or September last. October month it will come, no, Vijay Dasmi. You will get leave also. So this festival, because why Vijay Dasmi we celebrate? that day Lord Rama, he killed Ravan. Okay, he killed the Ravana because Ravan has taken Sita. He kidnapped the Sita. Okay, so this is the story of truth. Always truth dominate bad things. Narka Chaturthi, that is also a festival. Onam, this is also that kind of festival where truth is the winner. Okay, truth is the winner. So this kind of फेस्टिवल इज देयर, यू हैव टू राइट किसी ऐसे त्यौहार का नाम बताओ जो बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत बताता हो. सो टेल दैट फेस्टिवल नेम विच इज शोइंग ट्रुथ डोमिनेट्स बैड थिंग्स और अनट्रुथ. विजयदशमी, नरक चतुर्थी, ओनम. ओके, so this is your question answer. Today what we have read? We have read today lesson number 3, खिलौने वाला. That poem we have read, that was a very good poem about a child who is imagine. After that we have read word meaning, question answer. Okay children, in your assignment you have to write word meaning and question answer. Write neat and clean. Okay, and see the video because I will ask you lot of question in your Zoom classes with this chapter. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.